This is an introduction video to Apexa G post terminal from Posbank. As you can see, this is the device. It comes with 15-inch PCAP touch. Very rugged machine. This is the side profile, which is very sleek, and this is the back side view of the machine. So I'll show you the interface here. So it starts with audio jack on the first. Then we have MSR port. We have VGA port, which is basically used for the secondary displays. Then we have two USB ports here. We have the LAN port here, and we have the power cord here, and we have 4 COM ports here. At the end, we have the storage, which can be SSD or hard disk, which we can actually switch it like this. Once it's fixed, you can screw it and tighten it. And the back side, we have wire management. So basically, there are 2 hinges. You can just pull these 2 and take it out. And this is made of cast iron, which help in greater stability and durability. And we have, if you can see on the sides, we have 4 more USB ports here. So you can take all the wires, including the 4 USB ports wire through here. I'll show you how we do it. So this is the power cord. We'll connect it here. So that's connected, and I will show you how we connect the printer or any other USB port. For example, I'm connecting here printer USB port. So we connect it here, and I will show you how we close it actually. So we have 2 hinge lock here. We just need to attach it here. So once we do it, once it's done, we just need to unlock it here. It's as simple as that. So once it's done, you can actually close the device from back. So as you can see, the back profile or the back view, once the machine is installed, it's going to be very clean.